Earlier in the white belt course, we talked about two models of improvement in Six Sigma. One is DMAC and the second is DMAD-V. And we understood that the DMAC process is for improving an existing process and DMAD-V is for improving a new process. In Six Sigma Yellow Belt, we will not be talking about DMAD-V here. So let's take that thing out of the picture. Now let's focus on DMAC approach. DMAC approach is for improving any existing process. So if you have a problem, if you have a high defect rate, if you have a process which is taking much longer time, you have a process which is unsafe, whatever problem you have, the first thing which you need to do is you need to define your project, what you want to achieve out of this project. For example, in the current process, we have the repair rate of 10%. Now we want to reduce that repair rate from 10% to, let's say, 2%. That's our target, and that we want to achieve in 3 months. So that's something which is the problem which you need to define. There are tools related to each of these phases. We will go through each of these phases one by one and look at the tools required for each of these phases. So once you have defined the project which you want to do, the next thing what we want to do is you want to measure the current performance. So in the example which I took, where I said that the current repair rate is 10% and you want to reduce that to 2%. So the first thing which you want to do is you want to measure. You want to measure the performance of the current process. That comes under the measurement phase. Then the next phase, which is analyze. In that you analyze whatever data you have collected from the process. Once you have done the analysis, based on that you improve your process. Now here in this improve phase, you will be taking steps to improve the defect rate from 10% to 2%. Whatever steps you need to take, you will be taking that in the improve phase of the project. Once you have improved the project, then the next thing would be to control. Control is to ensure that whatever gains you had in this process, you want to retain those gains. So from 10%, you were able to reduce the defect rate to 2% in this example, but then you need to do something to maintain that 2%. Because if you don't maintain that, you will see that slowly and steadily, the defect rate will keep on increasing from 2% to 3% to 5%. You don't want to do that. You need to put some steps to make sure that your process remains in control. So that's how the DMAC process works. Define, measure, analyze, improve and control. In next 5 slides, we will be looking at each of these phases and we will see that what all we are going to study in this yellow belt course. So what all we are going to study for the yellow belt course in define phase, measurement phase, analyze phase, improve phase and control phase. Let's look at that on next few slides.